Hello there. We're going to be doing another review. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing a ship that is tied to the Crimson Fleet questline. So if you haven't done that, or you want to kind of go in spoiler free, I'd prefer if you just clicked off the video. But if you're the sort of person where you just like seeing where cool ships come from and you want to, know if it's worth getting, then, stay. So this is the UC Prison Shuttle. In order to get this ship, you have to complete a few missions for the Crimson Fleet. I believe it's the second or third main mission. You basically go down to an ice planet and you escape on this ship. Very unique ship. Really cool ship. Color scheme is a bit like the hell. But yeah. So, just looking at its specs, fuel at 200. It's got a hull of 418, which is extremely low. It's not meant for fighting at all, as you can see by the fact that it's called a prison shuttle. Having guns on a prison ship, not a good idea. And then cargo, surprisingly, can hold a bit of cargo, 1300 cargo, which is quite good. You can see the cargo bays there and on the other side. It's an A-class reactor, can only have a crew of 1 because it's quite small. It's got a pretty small jump range, doesn't have a shield, doesn't have weapons. You can, of course, upgrade this ship and give it all that, but I'm a bit of a ship collector, and I like just keeping it in a stock form because it looks nice. Although I probably will change the color. But anyway, yeah, let's look at it, shall we? Very cool ship. It's got these 2 landing engines on the front that are kind of medium size, and then it's got 2 larger ones on the back. It's got a pretty simple cargo entrance. It's quite similar to I think it's a Deimos potentially, but we've got the door up top here, so we're gonna go in the door.
Other things for you.
So yeah, when we hop in the ship, immediately we have multiple layers too, which is kind of surprising given how small the ship is, but as you'll see. So the first area, it's just a simple 1x1 cargo hold entryway, the deal. And then in here we have prison. This is a Deimos prison cell, I believe. It's a 2x1, I believe. You can store some weapons here if you would like. They work. Store some prisoners, if you want to transport some prisoners. Again, I don't know why you'd have weapons near the prisoner. This is the docking tube on the front of the ship, which is kind of cool. You can get the prisoners in, get them out nice and easy. They don't get anywhere near the cockpit. So we climb up, and we have the cockpit. I quite like the cockpit layout. It's got this single seat here, and then it's got 2 seats behind. So you've got your co-pilot and navigator. You got your little storage back there. So yeah, we're gonna just hop in and take it for a rip. I think it's a cool little ship, nice little quest line tied to it. So we look at it from the exterior, as we can see, like just going by the size of the engines and the fact that it's got those little fuel balls there. It's not a long distance ship like the shuttle. Obviously, it's meant to transport people from the planet up to orbit to another ship much larger. Hence why it also doesn't have any space for crew to sleep aside from the jail cell, which I suppose if you want to sleep soundly. But yeah, let's take a look at its abilities flying. Now remember, no shields on this, so when you get it you want to upgrade it. So it's got a pretty decent, we've got 5 pips left over currently, so we could put some weapons. So we're going to test the speed first. Okay, so it's about 150 speed by default, which is good. We're going to try boost speed. Boost speed is around 400, 420, which is decent. It's not amazing, but we're going to try the roll now. It's pretty fast. Not the fastest, but not slow by any means. And then we'll do a spin. Spin's quite fast, but then all ships kind of do. I think when you spin on your axis, there's not a lot unless your ship is really wide. So yeah, that's it. That's the Prison Shuttle. that you get from the Crimson Fleet quest line. Thanks for watching, guys.